it's me, Justin here, and today we're gonna review. Well, that's gonna be spoilers. Supposed to be a surprise, but right now I'm gonna show you the Pacific Rim Uprising trailer 1. Now, some of you may have seen it. You may be going to see it today, but Pacific Rim Uprising came out yesterday, and I watched it. In my opinion, it was pretty good. It was pretty good. Some memorable moments from like the first movie. I was like, that was the first time I felt so much hype. Oh my god. So, be quiet. So, right now I'm gonna show you like a little bit of the movie, like around a minute and 50 seconds. So here we go. Okay, I need to raise the volume. Cut.
We had sacrificed enough. But the war we thought we finished is just beginning.
Yeah, I remember the part.
And the only thing standing in front of the apocalypse,
I remember it from the movie,
is us.
Scrapper.
It doesn't matter where you came from, who believed in you and who didn't. This is our time. This is our chance to make a difference.
I can't speak.
Now let's get it done. That's what I'm talking about.
I don't know what the song is, but it's a bit weird. And is that actually a real gun, or is that like it's holding a gun, like a real one, but like the bullets are special effects? I don't know yet. And Obsidian Fury, yeah, he's pretty cool. Actually be one of my favorites.
I think I could get used to this. There's something you need to see.
I remember this part. And this is not spoilers, okay? Put in the title spoilers, dude. Okay, so we got it up. Now we're gonna go down. So you're gonna go back. It's Archship. It's Archship. Hardship. Hardship. Mouth. And thank you for that commenter. I forgot your name. He commented that this guy was named Hardship. To be honest, I kind of already knew that, but thanks anyways. Not trying to be mean. Okay, so this thing, like, I forgot to tell you, it's hard to stand up, man. Like, see. Okay. So see the tail, if you can see it. My little sister is literally in the background. But today, what I'm going to be reviewing is this. Pacific Rim Uprising Titan Redeemer. So, I'm going to share the box in a few seconds, but I'm going to explain how I got this. So, some of you may know, like, Toys R Us is closing down, and we were going by to get some, like, you know, there's a market near our Toys R Us, and we were going there, we saw 30% off, and I'm like, Mommy, can I go in? It's 30% off! What? And you know, Toys R Us is really expensive, so I got this. So I went in, and I was like, it's nothing good here. The Beyblade section was, okay, hear this. The only thing in the Beyblade section was the Chaos Core Stadium. There are like 12. A ton, like, I mean, like, I don't know, it literally looked like 1,000. It looks like, it literally looked like 1,000 dual threat launchers. Nothing else, no Beyblades, just dual threat launchers. And they also had, the Bay Locker. Like, I think they had 3 Bay Lockers. And I was going by that, I went to the Minecraft section with my little sister, because she liked Minecraft. And next there, I saw Pacific Rim Uprising, and I'm like, yeah! So I got it.
What are you doing?
Shh, be quiet. So I got it, and there were actually like, I think there were like 7 Bracer Phoenixes and 3 Titan Redeemers. I think people just don't like Bracer Phoenix for like the decals. They're like nothing. So I'm gonna unbox this. Hello. So wait, what should I say? Titan Redeemer right here. Robot something. The robot spirit side eager. Pacific Rim Uprising here. Pan Pacific Defense Corps. Show you the back. Maybe you can see it, maybe you can't. The top says like right here. Right here, see it? Right here. It says, built for brute force. This is me when I read. Built for brute force and armed with a seismic morning star. Titan Redeemer is the walking wrecking ball of the new fleet. So it looks pretty cool, and it comes with a little scrapper. And what is it called? The seismic morning star, or morning star. It seems pretty cool. Over 24 points of articulation. Side eager, Chinese stuff. Pacific Rim Uprising up here. Like right here. And the robot spirits inside you. Okay. So it says ages 15 and up, but I don't see how this is harmful. Warning, choking hazard, small parts, not for children under 3 years old. It's made from BanDai and Diamond, Tamashii Nations, not Diamond Select. Tamashii Nations. And legendary, you know, let me get my scissors. Boy! Gonna cut this. Ooh, gonna cut this. Gonna cut this. Ooh. Easy to get out. NECA was a lot more harder. Oh my God. And hardship just fell down, like usual. Okay, let's get this out. Oh my God, too late. I need to get these scissors out of the way before I kill myself. So let me unbox this. Here's a little scrapper, more in detail about later. Wow. A hand. Oh, inside hand. We'll show that more in detail later. But for now, we're going to focus on the little things. So, the open hand right here looks like a blocking hand to like block a fist or something. Actually, you can actually bend it a little bit. But I don't want to break it, so. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. Scrapper. Pretty small. Like, I hope, BanDai or Diamond Select like makes a deluxe version of Scrapper and like makes it a little bit bigger, like almost as big as Titan Redeemer right here, like the things, you know. Because Scrapper's one of my favorite characters in the movie. Well, not characters, but Jaegers in the movie. Well, should I even call this a Jaeger? I mean, in the movie, November Ajax looks like 1,000 times bigger. And November Ajax is literally as big as, you know, Gypsy Avenger and all that stuff. And now to the main big boy. I don't know why I said it like that. So right out the box already, it looks pretty cool. See the head right here? Head. Can wiggle, oh my God. So it can wiggle pretty much a lot. It's pretty good. The hands can move. Boop, boop. And you can actually see some of the gears right there. And we got the hand right here. I think it can swivel like out here. It's no big problem because these actually move with it. Actually pretty unique. Can move forward a little bit. Hear that squeaking noise? I forgot what I was gonna say. It was a joke. Bad one. I think it's a bad one. Oh yeah, I forgot. Rotate the fist. Waist articulation, pretty much pretty good. Pretty much pretty good. And it cannot move forward and back. Just move side to side. So, no, don't put a balloon on my head. Okay, so here we got the articulation, same thing. Yeah. And now to this. This is really, really spiky, and I actually think it's legit the coolest thing ever. It looks like it's about to kill you and not even care. Oh, here's like a gun thing right here. I don't know what it is. It looks like a gun. Machine gun. And here it is. It's really spiky. I think Titan Redeemer was barely in the movie. I think in the last scene where they fought the bosses. This is not spoilers, by the way. This is actually in the trailer, so you can see the trailer right now. I think in it, Bracer Phoenix had the Morning Star. I think they took it out, but there was no scene of them taking it out, so I don't know. But who cares? So here we got the. Oh my God, little sis, you put. Oh my God. So right now you got the moving legs. And the, ooh, okay, then, sorry, that sounds so weird. There's actually real metal in there, screws. Some, oh my, he broke his ankle. Oh my God, this just looks like he's not even real, like, it just looks like he disconnected or something. I think the same from the other side. Move out a little bit. And here are the decals. It's actually pretty detailed. I don't know what that is right there. Don't know what that is, but it's probably machine guns. The back looks really weird. If you can see my little sister, that's my little sister banging it. Show your face. Show your face.
How you doing?
That's my little sister's English. No, don't no. So, yeah. Back, show the back. That's spine though.
Oh my God.
That's pretty cool. If I can get it to stand correctly. And I'm going to show you how to put on the thing. If I'm creative enough, I wanted to make a pose. Here, that can stay in the back. That looks really weird. Don't you know? Knocking everything down. Okay. So, he's going to be in the back there. Don't you know? No. So, now we got Mr. Scrapper. Scrapper. Weird non-identical legs. In the movie, I did not see a shovel on his hand. What is that, like? I don't know, a shovel? I don't know what that is. It looks like, is it supposed to be fingers? I don't know. If it is, then that's some weird fingers. It's a rubbery plastic. Actually, move it around. No articulation whatsoever, because it's rubbery plastic. You don't need to see the hand, right? The hand you definitely need to see. So, let me just take Mr. Titan Redeemer right here. So this is how you do it. You pop it off pretty easy. And you put the hand on. Then it has that hand open. Block attacks. I know how they did this. Smash. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed the review. Comment down below what you think. I only have one comment so far. It's pretty cool. I need to get this kind of pose. I don't know what. That's my little sister. I know what pose. I'm just playing around with it. I'm so focused trying to get in the pose. No! Don't No. So there's the pose. Oh my god, Doreen. So here's the fist up close. Fist. Fist-a-bomb. Bang, bang, bang. So, I hope you enjoyed the video. It was pretty epic. And I see... Well, no. That's just boring. Now I don't know what to do. Daily vlog time? Sure! I need to show my face more in my videos. Here are my deadly scissors I used. Here is my water bottle. My water bottle. Bye. Okay. What do you want next for videos, guys? I don't know because I'm running out of ideas. And you remember the 15th video? Yeah. Yeah, it's the 16th video. And we're not unboxing Spriggan Requiem. And if you're not a huge fan, you don't even know what I'm talking about. Just listen closely to the Starstorm Battle Set Starstorm Battle Set video. And if you listen closely to it in the battle part, we said the 15th video will be, you know. So I think what we're gonna do is like, and no, it is not Spriggan Requiem. Let me get back to it. It is Winning Valkyrie from Chaozetsu. I'm hyped. So I'm really hyped for that. Let me just adjust my keyboard so I don't have to. So really hyped for that. I actually do enjoy playing Beyblades. I don't make as much videos, but I'm gonna make a video, guys. And after that, I'm gonna do a battle marathon. Can you see me, guys? We're gonna do a battle marathon. See my little sister? Bam. Face reveal for my little sister. You see a battle marathon? I'm gonna do that. It's gonna be like around 30 minutes. Should be amazing. And tell me in the comments below if you want the battle marathon right after the unboxing. Like the video is gonna be I unbox Winning Valkyrie and then it cuts right to me doing the battle marathon, or do you want to be two separate videos? Let me know in the comments down below. But as always, stay awesome. Rate, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell, ding, ding, ding. And I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.